Welcome to our detailed comparison of two popular dashcams, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo and the OVAMAN K600. In this video, we will explore their features, specifications, and performance to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. When it comes to resolution, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo offers a front camera resolution of 2K at 60 frames per second, while the OVAMAN K600 boasts an impressive 4K front camera. This higher resolution in the OVAMAN K600 allows for more detailed footage, especially beneficial for capturing important details on the road. However, the VIOFO's higher frame rate provides smoother video playback, which can be crucial during fast-moving situations. The frame rate is another critical factor in video quality. The VIOFO A129 Plus Duo operates at 60 frames per second, which ensures fluid motion and clarity during recording. In contrast, the OVAMAN K600 records at 30 frames per second. While 4K resolution is impressive, the lower frame rate may result in less smooth video, particularly during high-speed driving scenarios. In terms of additional features, the OVAMAN K600 stands out with its built-in 3.59-inch IPS screen, allowing for easy video playback and setup directly on the device. On the other hand, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo lacks a built-in screen, which means users will need to rely on their smartphones or computers for playback. This difference can significantly affect user convenience and experience. In conclusion, both the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo and the OVAMAN K600 offer unique features that cater to different needs. The VIOFO excels in frame rate and low light performance, while the OVAMAN impresses with its 4K resolution and built-in screen. Depending on your priorities, either of these dashcams could be a great addition to your vehicle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.